Hi, I'm Dr. Bledsoe with Pathway Wellness, and today we're going to go over a piece of equipment we use in the office pretty frequently, which is called a Repex table. Now, you don't see these in chiropractic offices that frequently, as it is more of a physical therapy implement, but we find it's very useful for low back pain patients, especially for patients suffering from disc issues or sciatica, and respond positively to Mackenzie low back protocols. So we use this table primarily for three things. The most common thing is for patients, like I said earlier, that respond well to Mackenzie exercises. And this table will allow us to do multiple reps of the exercise without stressing the patient's shoulder out, without wearing them out. Especially if they're a bigger patient and have to press up frequently, it's just easier to let the table do it themselves. Also, we use the table just for a general mobilization of the lumbar spine to make adjustments a little bit easier later on. And then it's also great for chronic low back patients that just want a little bit of stretch and motion through that lumbar spine. It just helps them feel better, basically. It's a very simple table, and it essentially is going to go into extension or flexion, but most commonly use it for extension based patients. And as it gets up here, you just turn it on and it's going to go back and forth into extension and then just a little bit of flexion, because we do want to restore some of that flexion eventually and not just have a patient go into extension over and over and over again. And as you can see, as it gets up here into flexion, we'll actually get a tiny bit of distraction and flexion up in here, and then it goes right back into extension once again. And another thing that's great about this table is it allows us to put a little bit of overpressure into the lumbar spine if that patient needs just a little bit more oomph to get that response that we want positively. So if you are suffering from low back pain, disc issues, sciatica, this is a great tool that we can use, and just give us a call and schedule an appointment so we can see if we can help you.